Hi everyone, I am here to discuss one problem, counting digits in a given number. We are going to write Python code for this one, counting digits in a given number. So this problem can be solved by four approaches. The first one, iterative method. The second one, recursive method. And third one, string method. And fourth one, logarithm method. Logarithm method. So let us take the input from the user. Let me call the number as n equal to int of input, enter the number. We got the number now. Let me apply this first method, iterative method. Iterative method is nothing but we will be using loop statements to solve the problem. Iterative method. So first let me store this n value safely in some variable, let us say num equal to n. Why? Because in iterative method we will gradually reduce the n value to 0. So at one stage n will fall to 0. So we will be losing that original number. That's why we are storing that original number in some tentative variable num. Now let me apply this recursive approach. While n, what does this mean? When n is a positive integer, it will be true. If n becomes 0, it will become false. While n equal to n floor division 10. I am reducing n value by n divided by 10. So here we are reducing and we have to increment count by 1. Actually, we have not taken count here. Let me initialize this count to 0 and increment count by 1 every time you reduce the value of n. At one stage, n will become 0. Then then the control comes out of the loop and we can print the result. Print number of digits in, let me write the actual number, num. Now the original number is there in num, is equal to count. This is using iterative method. For example, if n is given as 1, 2, 3, our iterative method should give the value 3. Next, second method, recursive method. For recursive method, we have to write a function. Let me write the function above all the code. Def, I will be taking digits. Let me call that function as digits. Digits n. Initially, I will send n as the parameter. For every recursive function, we know that we must clearly specify the base condition or stopping condition or exit condition. then only we can run the recursion, otherwise it will fall into infinite loop. So first I will be writing a base condition. The base condition I consider for this case is when there is only one digit. When there is only one digit, the output should be 1. How will you check whether there is only one digit? If n divided by 10 is 0 point something, we can say that there is only one digit. So that same logic I am going to write here. If n, here I am considering floor division 0. If n floor division or n integer division 10 is 0, that means the digit, there is only one digit whose value is in between 1 to 9. Let us assume there is only one digit, that is 9 in the number. 9 divided by 10 will be 0.9. Then if you consider this integer division or floor division, that will be equal to 0. So this is the base condition I consider. Return 1. Else return when there is more than one digit in the given number. Take 1 plus, and the remaining number will be like digits n floor division 10. This is the remaining number. For example, if the number given is 123, it is not single digit, there are many digits. That's why we will come to this else part. Return 1 plus digits. In place of n, what will be there? 123. 123 floor division 10. It will be like 12. That means one digit is already counted, 3 is already counted, plus digits of 12. Then again the same function is called 12. Then it will check whether there is only one digit or not. If there is no one digit, then 1 plus, already 1 plus is there, 1 plus digits 12 by 10, that will be 1. So like this, gradually it will sum up all the digits. I mean not digits, that number of digits. So this is recursive function. I have clearly defined the recursive function, just I will be using it here. I will copy this statement and in place of count, I will be calling that function digits of num. Digits of num. Next, 3. What is the third approach I have mentioned? String method. This string method is nothing but convert the given integer into string and then use len function to get the number of digits. It is quite simple. I can directly write the statement. Print number of digits in num equal to len of str num. What is happening here? The number is converted to string and then the length of this string is calculated, and that will be the number of digits in the given number. This is string method. The last one, logarithm method. To apply this logarithm method, I have to import math library. Let me do that first. Import math. Then there are different logarithm functions in Python. The first one is generic one, log. The second one is log2 and log10. There are some other variants of logarithm functions, but the most commonly used ones are these three. The first one is natural logarithm, the second one is logarithm to the base 2, The last one is logarithm to the base 10. We are going to use this third logarithm, that is log 10. Then, so according to this one, how we can use this logarithm? Let us assume the given number is 123. The given number is 123. Logarithm of 123 will be 2 point something, 2 point some fraction. Logarithm of 500 will be like 2 point something. Logarithm of 999 will be like 2 point something. So based on this, what we can understand is the values in the range from 100 to 999, the logarithm will be 2 point some fraction. So by exploiting this fact, how we can write or how we can use this logarithm function to find the digits is like this. For example, digits equal to, this can be taken like 1 plus math dot log that given number. That given number is num. Normally this will give a float value. We have to explicitly convert this to integer. If we consider int of, only the integer part will be considered and the fractional part will be neglected. 1 plus math dot log of num. So this is not log function, this is log 10. Log 10 num. So what will happen here? Suppose if the given number is 123, log 10 of num will be 2 point something. When it is converted to integer, we get the value 2, and 1 plus 2 will be 3. That is the number of digits of a number 123. Now let me use this value d. So we have taken one number as input and we have applied all these 4 methods to count the digits in that given number. So if all these methods are performing well, we must get the same answer for these different methods. Okay, so let us write this code, let us run this code and see. Let me take the number as 123. If the code is correct, all the 4 methods must give the value 3. Yes, it is perfectly fine. The first line is the output of first method, iterative method. The second line is the output of recursive method. Third line is output of string method. Fourth line is output of logarithm method. All are giving the same value. That means our code is correct. Let me run this code with another input. So how many digits are there in this number? Some 8 digits are there. We must get 8 as the output. Yes, perfect. Please go through these different methods and let me know which method you like in the comment section. Thank you.